OMH, the Old Magazine House, popularly known as a birder's paradise, is nestled in the heart of a deciduous forest in Ganesh Gudi near Dandeli, Uttar Kannada in Karnataka state. OMH brings you over 200 species of birds watching at Ganesh Gudi. It is basically a bird watching camp located within the thick forests of Ganesh Gudi near Dandeli under the jungle lodges of Karnataka. Staying amidst lush forests at Old Magazine House, Ganesh Gudi, it is ideal for bird watchers and nature lovers. The forest is a mix of deciduous and evergreen trees, including bamboo and teak plantations. It is home to more than 200 species of birds, and majority of them can be spotted during the winters. There are around 300 species of birds across the Dandeli city. The Dandeli forest is also home for 4 species of hornbills among the world's 9 species. The property sports strategically placed bird baths where you can expect birds like emerald doves, chestnut tailed starlings, and magpies to visit you and splash some water in the bird baths. Wake up to the sweet songs of the Malabar Whistling Trust in the ethnic cottages at sunrise. During your stay, you will come across birds like yellow-browed bulbul, the golden oriole, Malabar trogon, Asian paradise flycatcher, the grey-fronted green pigeon, the orange minivet, white-rumped shama, the blue-capped rock thrush, and others. The green screen sitting spots and bird hideaways offer perfect vantage points to observe these magnificent creatures throughout the day. This place is a true paradise for birders and nature lovers. And if you want to see the hornbills in their natural habitat, Dandeli is your place. At OMH, there are many birding spots. The best spot is beside the dormitory area where the birds enjoy a bath in the bird bath pots. The people at the lodge have put a few bird baths and a few perches around it and created a barrier at a safe distance away for people to come and watch the bird activities. The dense woods is home to the great pied hornbills and the Malabar giant squirrels. The intermittent openings in the canopy of these semi-evergreen and deciduous forests give you perfect opportunities to photograph the beautiful avian fauna. An unlimited experience in the wild is what this trip will offer you. The best thing about Ganesh Gudi, especially OMH, is that birds actually pay you a visit rather than you scouting for them in the wild. From small birds to the hornbills, most of the birds comes and goes at the OMH bird baths. The hornbills do not take the bath though. One aspect of OMH that never fails to amaze bird watchers is the ease with which birds can be spotted. As you approach Ganesh Gudi, you will be greeted by hordes of exotic birds that are otherwise hard to spot. No wonder nature lovers and especially bird watchers consider OMH as Mecca of bird watching.